Hi, I'm Rhea. I'm a rising freshman at Trinity, and this is my first milestone. It's where I connected the TCS 230 color sensor to an Arduino. So basically, ideally I wanted to use a Arduino Nano, but my computer was being pretty frustrating and it wasn't really recognizing when I plugged in a Nano. So I'm just trying to continue with an Uno until that problem is sorted out. But yeah, so a little bit about how this color sensor works is that there's like a little tiny chip right there with 16 photodiodes with a red filter, 16 with a blue filter, 16 with a green filter, and 16 with no filter. So basically when light hits these photodiodes, the red filter photodiodes sense red wavelengths, the blue ones to blue wavelengths, and etc. So when light hits the photodiodes, there's a current to frequency converter inside of the color sensor, and the output is transmitted to the Arduino. So yeah. So when I was making this, I ended up not really using the library for the color sensor anyway. It wasn't really helpful. So after some hunting online, I found this website that had a color matching code where I connected an Arduino to the color sensor. So after a little bit of editing of that, because it was a little different from what I was doing, I ran the code, and the code was only to sense red, green, and blue colors. But I know this color sensor senses like all the colors, so I added the colors purple and yellow, so the color sensor could recognize those in the code. So for the code, I put different number. It's a little hard to see from over there, but I put number ranges for the red value, green value, and blue value of each color that the color sensor can sense. So here's a little demo of that. Done uploading. So, and I also did an else function if there's no color on top, like that's being sensed by the color sensor, then it will display no color detected in the serial console. So if I take the little yellow sponge and I put that over the color sensor, it has the output yellow color over there. So that works. And like red, it also does that. And blue does that as well as purple and green. So yeah, it really only senses a certain shade of each color, but it's really hard to make a range of each color so that it wouldn't mistake it for another color in the serial console. But yeah, that's my first milestone. Thank you.